I want to show you some of the things that I got from Kamkunji. It's been a while since I've been to Kamkunji. Actually, I've been to Kamkunji once in my life. And the time I went there, I wasn't even serious. I think it was on a Sunday and most of the shops were closed. So this was actually my first time like going to Kamkunji and being serious to look into the things that they have. So we walked around, we were just checking. We didn't have any plan of shopping, but I ended up getting a few things. So I got this oil jar because my oil jar broke, and that is how you use it when you want to pour the oil. You just bend it and it just opens up. The other oil jar was very delicate. I'm glad that I got this because the glass is very strong. And I also got some bowls, soup bowls. These soup bowls, I came across them and I said, why not? Let me just pick them because I've been meaning to replace my bowls and add to my balls, also have more balls. The other ones that I had, the black ones, they chipped, and I don't know why the black color just gets affected, but I decided to go with white, and I love them. They're so beautiful. Like when I looked at them, I did not even have second thoughts. I did not even look at the other balls that they had in store. So I got this, and this was going for 250. How affordable is that? So I got to, maybe next time I'll add more. If I ever go back to Kamkunji again, hopefully I will go back because there are shops that had very nice stuff. Then I also got some cups. I wanted to add, I want to have a lot of cups. Some I can take home, some I can have here. So I'm going to be adding bit by bit. I'm never in a hurry like to just shop for kitchen utensils. Whenever I have some coins, I will always spare and buy something. So I got these cups and they are so beautiful. Like when I saw them, I just loved them. And I have one cup like this, I think the black one, and I really love the shape. It's light. This cup is not heavy. Like I don't like heavy cups. The ones I had before, I had to take them home because they were so heavy. So I got 6 of them. I think at yeah, it's at 800 shillings. Other shops were very expensive. They were selling at 1200, some at 1000, but when I came not come. When I came across this shop and they were selling at 800, I decided to just pick them. And we also got some glasses. I've also wanted to add to my glasses. The glass that I have is very light. So I decided, let me get these glasses for just taking water, maybe juice. The material is very strong. You can't compare with the glass that I got recently. Like the glass that I got recently, I tried to wash utensils and it broke. It just broke. I think it felt the pressure of my hand and it just broke. So this is the glass that I got recently, and apparently one of them has broken. The material is so light. I don't even know what I was thinking getting this glass. In as much as it is beautiful, it's very light and very delicate. So I wanted a stronger material like this one. This one is very strong. You can even see it's even heavy. So I got 6 of them. Yeah, I got 6 of them. I think they were going for 600 and 650. Yeah, the lady sold me at 650. Initially, the initial price was 700, I think. So I got some spoons. I also wanted to add spoons because I had taken some spoons home, so I wanted to replace. I got 6 and I got these spoons. They are very strong. Hopefully these spoons won't be affected by salty water. Like, I just fear salty water. Salty water just affects anything. But I'm glad that the salty water hasn't affected most of my things. So I hope it won't affect these spoons because I really love them. They're strong. They don't even bend, like unlike other spoons that I've gotten before. Maybe it's me who doesn't take time to look at places where they have quality stuff. So I got these spoons. There are 6 of them. Yeah, maybe next time I will add into more spoons. Yeah, and then I also got kitchen rag, kitchen mat. Yeah, kitchen mat. I've had this mat before, but the mat, I think I did a mistake of washing the mat and then putting it on the sun. It doesn't want that, and it doesn't want you to be washing them all the time, scrubbing. So I got this, I replaced it. I love this color. I really love brown. Like, I love neutral colors, and this color, I don't know if it will blend in, but apparently it's the color that I really wanted. Still, I'm still regretting because there is a lot of mess in the kitchen, so the spills and everything will call for washing the mats all the time. Yeah, but I love it. It's beautiful. I got it at 1500 shillings, and it's very strong, and quality wise it's good. So these are the stuff that I got, and yeah, maybe next time I'll get more. I love those cups.